Hello everyone. Today I'm using my fryer. I'm frying some filet haddock here in my fryer. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up bell, give me a notification, and become a subscriber to the channel. Whenever I upload another video, you'll be the first to get a notification. Thank you. Elaine's Kitchen, Fusion Dash. Stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy. Keep your kids close, your loved ones, and your friends. God loves you, so do I. Bye. Stay blessed and stay prayed up. This is the fried fish after it came out of the fryer. Fried haddock.
It's good. Delicious.
What are you digging in your dog?
My daughter Sophia's here. She's playing with Louie. This is my little dog Louie. You guys was introduced to Louie some months back. That's little Louie. And over here we have
Crystal Diamond.
she's a new addition to the family. You just heard my daughter Sophia say her name is Crystal Diamond. We were debating whether or not we should name her Vuitton because this is Louis Vuitton. So we're going back and forth trying to pick out names for her. But I think we finally came to a decision to name her Crystal Diamond. She was born January 13th. She's now 3 months old as of today. And she became the new addition to the family just yesterday, April 12th. She came home with me.
Right now, so we're cage training her. So don't be in the comments saying, why is one dog out and one dog in the cage? Because she literally just got here. We're introducing her to the cage right now, so she has her own little safe space in the house when she needs to escape from all of the chaos.
Yes. And little Louie over here, he is 12 years old.
Almost 13. He'll be 13 in a few weeks.
Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that thumbs up button, and hit that notification bell. And don't be shy to become a member. And leave a comment on the new addition to the home, Lorraine's blog. Bye.